In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a website banner in Canva step by step. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever felt stuck trying to design a banner for your website, whether it's your homepage, your shop, or even a landing page, this tutorial is going to walk you through everything. You don't need to be a designer or have expensive software. With Canva, you can create a professional looking banner in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to pick the right size, customize your design, and export it so it looks clean and sharp on your site. So first off, why a website banner matters. Your banner is often the very first thing someone sees when they land on your website, and it sets the tone for your brand while guiding visitors to take action. A strong banner should clearly show your brand or business identity so people instantly know who you are. It should use clean visuals that match your style, creating a cohesive and professional look. The text on your banner should be simple and direct, telling visitors exactly what you do or what action you want them to take next. Finally, a good banner must look sharp on both desktop and mobile so that your message is clear no matter how someone views your site. If your banner looks cluttered, low quality, or unclear, visitors may leave before they scroll, which is why getting this right is worth the time. Now, since we're going to be using Canva, if you're not familiar with Canva, let's just quickly talk about what it is. It's an online design platform that helps beginners create graphics without needing advanced design skills. You can drag and drop elements, use pre-made templates, and export in different file types. Canva has exploded in popularity because it makes design simple and accessible. Whether you're creating a social post, a YouTube thumbnail, or in this case, a website banner, Canva templates give you a head start so you don't need to start from a blank screen. Let's touch on key features of Canva. Canva comes with several features that make it especially useful for beginners. One of the main features is its drag and drop editor, which allows you to create designs very quickly without needing design experience. Canva also includes a massive library of templates, so you can start with layouts that are already sized and styled for websites, social media, presentations, or print materials. Another key feature is the brand kit, which lets you save your brand colors, fonts, and logos so that every design you create stays consistent. Canva also provides access to millions of stock photos, graphics, and elements, which makes it easy to find visuals that fit your style. On top of that, you can resize designs for different platforms in just one click. You can collaborate with team members by sharing projects directly in Canva. And finally, Canva exports in multiple formats like PNG, JPEG, PDF, and even video, which makes it very flexible for different business uses. Okay, let's get into the walkthrough. So step number 1 is decide the goal of your banner. Before even opening Canva, ask yourself, what do you want this banner to do? Do you want to welcome people and introduce your brand? Do you want to highlight a product or service? Do you want to promote a special offer, a launch? Knowing your goal keeps your design focused. A banner is not the place to cram in everything about your business. It should guide visitors to one main action. Okay, now let's go ahead and open Canva. If you're not already using it, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below. I also want to mention too, they do have a free plan, but I'm going to be demonstrating on the pro plan. Once you click that link, you can select any of these plans and even the free plan if you would like. You can continue with Google, Facebook, email, whatever is best for you. Once you're logged in, as you can see, I've been using Canva for years and years and years. So I have a lot of templates in here, lots of designs. So what we're going to do is go ahead and search. So we'll do website banner. Select. Now, the cool part about Canva too is you can select category or you can also select a style. Maybe we want a more minimalistic look, right? There's so much on here that you can go ahead and choose. So you just want to find one that really fits your vibe. Maybe we like something like this. Canva actually too, you can look at it as a prototype so you can actually see what it looks like. Also, as a side note, just remember that you're going to customize everything, so focus on the layout more than the colors or images. Templates save you time and give you structure, but you still want to make it unique to your business. Now, the next step is to add your branding. If you are in the Canva Pro plan, you can actually make a brand toolkit. So how you do that, again, this is only on the Pro plan. You'll go to brand down here. You go to brand kits. And as you can see, I told you I've been using a long time, so we've really evolved. But you can just click and use whichever one that you would like. So then let's just go ahead and we'll go to design. We'll go to styles. Here you can see we've got that last one that we can select. So maybe we want to change our fonts, change the color palette, right? We also probably want to change the image. So they have a bunch of stock footage that we can use. this. We'll do, no, we're gonna just, yes. Maybe we just want something to look kind of cozy right here. And we will move both of these to the back. And then maybe we want this. What we can do too is to kind of make them just a little more cohesive is turn that down. That's still kind of dark. So what we can do is come in here and edit and we can adjust. See what that does. No, don't like that. But maybe we'll bring the shadows up and the highlights up to make it a little brighter. Maybe we want to make it a little bit more cooler. Let's see, does that flow a little bit better? That's still kind of dark. Maybe we just want to find a lighter photo, right? So again, it just allows you to really play around and capture whatever feeling or emotion you want your audience to take from it, as well as tell them what you want them to do. So maybe we just want to take this out completely and we want this to just be the background. Maybe we're a blanket company. Blankets enhance your life. Okay, to keep things professional, you really want to avoid busy images that make your text hard to read. That's why I really like using kind of putting a square over it, and then you can turn the transparency down. That's what it would look like if we didn't have anything. So then you can have a cool background image, but it still doesn't take away from the words. And then the next step is to write a strong heading. So the text on your banner really does matter as much as the visuals. Keep it short, keep it direct, so visitors know instantly what your site or offer is. For example, healthy meals made simple, your go-to marketing coach, shop our new spring collection, right? We will do shop our new spring collection. We can move this, right? Then we'll want to add a smaller subheading, and this could include a bit more detail, but you definitely don't want to overload the banner with paragraphs. This is just not a place for long copy. Say like our spring collection, or maybe even just a few words of like soft, calming, cozy. I don't know. Just something simple, right? And then check it out here. Then we have an actual call to action. Beep. So it could be something like shop now, get started. Again, you want to be pointing them to a direction in an action. It could be book a free call, learn more. Again, you can edit this button to whatever you would like. You can edit the font, the colors, but right now this matches pretty well. Oh, even that. Oh, I like that. Maybe I don't like that. You can delete it. So the next step is to adjust layout for good balance. So a good banner layout feels balanced. The text is aligned to one side, an image is on the other, or center everything if you want a bold, simple look. Using Canva's alignment tools to center or evenly spaced elements is very, very helpful. Leave enough white space so the banner does not feel crowded. So again, you can adjust everything. Even you can see, like, let's just do this in the center. With Canva's alignment, it will tell you, okay, that's the center, right? Now this is the center, right? So they make it really easy to drag and drop so you can actually see what's in alignment, right? So we can maybe move everything to the middle if we wanted to. We want to align this in the center. Okay, so they make it very, very easy to do that. The last step is to export in the right format. So when you're ready, all you have to do is click share, click download, and then they've got JPEG, PNG, PDF, PDF print, MP4, right? There's so many different options here. But for website banners, PNG is usually the best option because it keeps the image crisp. Or if your banner is mostly photos, a high quality JPEG may also load faster. But keep file sizes optimized so your site loads quickly. You can use Canva's file quality slider to reduce size without losing too much clarity. So that's if you click here, you can go ahead and change it accordingly. Okay, see how quickly and easy and simple it was to do that? Now that you understand how to create the banner, let's just talk about the different plans and pricing options. I started off with the free plan and then I upgraded to the pro plan because one, I like the background remover. Like this is a background remover. This was a picture, I think, in front of my family's house. Like you can tell that's obviously the background is removed. I absolutely love it. I use it all the time. And then storage was another reason. You only get 5 gigabytes of cloud storage on the free plan. Here you get 1 terabyte. So it's really helpful in that capacity. The brand kits, you don't get that on the free plan. You have to upgrade for that. And then a lot of the templates, not a lot, but you just get access to even more templates. As you can see right here, that means you need to be on the premium plan. This one is on the free plan though. So there's still a lot you can do with the free plan, but I personally love the pro plan for those things that I mentioned. But again, free plan for free, you get access to some of the templates, the drag and drop editor, some stock photos, and you get 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. For Canva Pro, this is $120 per year for one person, and that's saving you 16%. But if you pay monthly, it's $15 per month. With this, you you get unlimited templates, 140 million plus photos, video graphics, and audio, 1,000 brand kits to manage your brand. You can quickly resize designs, remove backgrounds, and you get that 1 terabyte of cloud storage. So Canva Teams is the next plan. It's $100 per year per person, minimum 3 people. So it's the minimum $300 per year, but monthly it's $10 per month per person. With this, you can centralize your assets. You can ensure brand consistency with approvals. You can edit, comment, and collaborate in real time. You also can look at Teams reports and insights, and you also have AI admin controls and online customer support. And then lastly is the Canva Enterprise plan. So you do have to contact their sales team or book a demo. And with this, you get everything in the Teams plan, but you get to set individual group design approvals, single sign-on, priority customer support, design support from Enterprise Studio creative team, and then a dedicated customer support manager. So you can always start off with the free plan and then go up to the paid plan as you need to. If you want to check out Canva and get started today, go ahead and use our link in the description below. You can save 16% on the annual plans. Before we wrap up, I just wanted to kind of touch on the pros and cons of Canva for banners. Starting off with the pros is it's super beginner friendly and the drag and drop interface is very, very simple and easy to use. They have a large template library with ready to use website banners. It's also really easy to apply brand colors, fonts, and logos, and you can export quickly in multiple formats. Now for the cons, a lot of premium assets do require Canva Pro. Designs can look very generic if you rely too much on the templates. You really need to customize it and make it your own. And then limited advanced features compared to professional design software. So is Canva the right tool for making website banners? If you're a beginner, a solo entrepreneur, or a small business owner who wants something quick, affordable, and good looking, Canva is a strong choice. If you're an advanced designer who needs precise control, custom typography, or very complex design systems, you might outgrow Canva and prefer professional tools like Photoshop or Illustrator. But for most entrepreneurs, myself included, who want to create clean, functional, on-brand banners without hiring a designer, Canva does the job perfectly. As a side note, I know how intimidating design can feel when you're just starting out. Honestly, I'm not a creative person, so Canva really helped me get over that and be able to make designs look really amazing with all of their templates. So with Canva, even beginners can create banners that look professional. Again, if you want to check out Canva, we do have that link in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping entrepreneurs and small business owners grow smarter online using tools that are easy to learn and affordable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.